You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this beautiful word. I love this word. I'm not sure why, maybe because it's got the word marry or Mary and gold, and it's just a beautiful flower. If you want to learn more plant names that are confusing, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. You'll want to learn from marigold. It's how it's pronounced actually. It's not Mary, it's not like the name Mary, or it's Marie, more like the French Marie or Spanish Maria. Marigold. Marigold. How to pronounce in English? Marigold. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.